What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which, and I promised you guys that yesterday, in which I am going to do some sort of a price analysis and price prediction on Optimism, but it's more of a price analysis. You should know that the markets today are quite unstable and it would just be unresponsible to really have a clear prediction, but we're going to try our best. Over the last 24 hours we're down 32%. Volume has increased quite a bit. It's now 600 million. Obviously yesterday when I did the video it wasn't tradable on all exchanges yet. Now it is, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of volume is traded on Binance, Wobi, KuCoin, Coinbase even. Not that much actually, but still. So yeah, that's great. If we take a look at the price, and we have to do it on a 15-minute time frame, which I am not a big fan of, but at least we got some price action to actually base our analysis off then. Because yesterday when I took a look at it, and excuse me, something in my throat. But yesterday when I took a look at it, I mean, it wasn't even on TradingView yet, and it wasn't even available on CoinMarketCap on TradingView like this. Most of the time when a coin is actually on CoinMarketCap, this actually works, but yeah, just wasn't. But yeah, so what you can see right now is that already yesterday evening we found support here at this 1.05 level, which is a pretty weird level, because arguably you could drag this all the way down to $1. Because $1 is a major psychological support level. But what sometimes happens with cryptos is that with a major psychological support or resistance level, that the best key level actually forms just above it or below that. So I don't actually think we have that buffer. I don't think $1 will function as much of a support. So the thing is, we drop down this night, and what's happening right now is really one of the best tests for Optimism as of right now, because if we want to break out of this what's going on, I mean, it's quite bearish what is going on. If you take a look at the really short term, you got a downtrend like this, which seems to be holding a little bit. And if you look at it from a little bit more of a long term, it's still a downtrend. So if we really want to break out of this, Optimism would first, and that would be the first test, would need to break out of this 1.18 level. So if we actually close above 1.18, we're not there yet. I mean, what would be better, and that will be pretty hard, is that Optimism would need to break out above 1.25 cents. If we break out of 1.25 cents, we have at least confirmed this consolidation, which is great. But what's even better is that gives us the possibility to actually start to think about breaking above 1.35 and 1.4. And if that happens, if we actually close above, let's take 1.38 as a cutoff point. If we actually break above 1.38, we could have a bull run. So it might sound easy when I'm talking about it like this. It in reality really isn't. And excuse me again for my throat, but yeah. But in reality it isn't. And what I more so expect, I mean, you got this resistance already at 1.15, then you got resistance at around 1.25 and 1.2. And I mean, if you break above that I would consider that bullish, because then we have some sort of a consolidation or a more neutral market structure. I think it's way more likely that we'll get up to this level here at 1.18 and actually reject back down to 1.05. And I also think that if Bitcoin actually continues to drop, then Optimism is just going to fall with it. And the next real support I have in mind is this level here at 90 cents. It could be that we find some support at $1, but then it would just be to take a break retest off of 1.05 and 1.1 and drop down to 90 cents. So I will probably be monitoring this pretty closely, doing an update on it every other day or every day maybe, switching over to the 1 hour time frame as soon as possible. But as for now, that's basically my analysis on the OP token or coin or Optimism. So thank you all for watching and listening. If you do have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.